video, we will discuss how to use the Microsoft Excel Days to Calving Disposal Codes template to enter and submit Days to Calving disposal codes to BreedPlan. When recording Days to Calving information, breeders need to record all events associated with the joinings of their females from the start of the mating period in each breeding season through to when the subsequent calves are born. Broadly, this includes joining details of all females mated within the herd, Days to Calving disposal codes for all females that left the herd, particularly those present at joining but not by subsequent calving, details of all calves, dead or alive, that were born as a result of these joinings. Optionally, pregnancy test results can also be submitted. For further information, see the Recording Days to Calving tip sheet and associated video available via the Help Centre on the BreedPlan website. The Microsoft Excel Days to Calving disposal codes template is used to submit Days to Calving disposal codes to BreedPlan. It is one of several templates available to submit Days to Calving information. All templates can be downloaded from the Help Centre on the BreedPlan website. To ensure that you are using the most recent version, it is recommended that you download the relevant template each time you wish to submit Days to Calving data. On opening the template, you will notice that there are 3 tabs. These are the Instructions tab. Here you will find a description of each of the columns contained in the template and the accepted data input formats. This includes a list of valid Days to Calving disposal codes. The Example Data Submission tab. Here you will find example records that show how to enter Days to Calving disposal code information into the template. The Days to Calving disposal code template. This is the template that you will use to enter your Days to Calving disposal code details. When entering your data into the template, first enter your herd ident into column B of the top row. You should only need to do this once, as your herd ident should autofill with subsequent records. In this example, we are using herd ident ABC. Now move across to column C and enter the cow ident. In this example, we are using cow ident ABC J156. Once you have entered the cow ident, you might notice that a V automatically appears in column A and an X automatically appears in column E under event code. Both of these codes are required for internal BreedPlan processing purposes and should autofill each time you enter a cow ident. You can now move across to column D and enter the disposal date. This date should be entered in the format of DDMMYYYY. In the example on the screen, the cow was disposed of on the 1st of December 2019. Finally, you can move across to column F and enter the Days to Calving disposal code. There are a range of Days to Calving disposal codes, and you should use the one that best applies to the individual animal. In the example shown on the screen, the Days to Calving disposal code for cow ABC J156 is entered as F, which indicates she was culled because she was not in calf. Please note that these Days to Calving disposal codes are for BreedPlan use only. They are not available to the Breed Society, and your Breed Society fate code may be different. To enter Days to Calving disposal codes for additional animals, head back to column C and enter the cow ident of your next animal. Then fill in the disposal date and Days to Calving disposal code, and repeat until you have entered all of the Days to Calving disposal code details that you wish to submit to BreedPlan. The file can then be saved and emailed to your BreedPlan processing centre. Please include a brief description of the data included in the file. For example, the example data shown in this video could be described as Spring 2019 matings, Days to Calving disposal codes. For further assistance in using the Microsoft Excel Days to Calving disposal codes template, please contact staff at your BreedPlan processing centre. Thanks to those who have provided images and video footage for us to use in the Recording for BreedPlan video series.